What are you guys up to this morning? Let's check on the seeds here. I just gave them a quick watering. Step into my makeshift greenhouse. Works very well. Let's see here. We got a bunch of bunching onions. Those germinated very well. This tray is a little bit behind, but it's bunching onions. They're coming up. These two trays here are Lysianthus. Now I know that's a weed. I gotta pull it. Okay, so that's not a Lysianthus. They can take a long time to germinate. I planted these about a month and a half ago, and I'm just now getting Lysianthus. I'm hoping those are Lysianthus seedlings. See, they need light. They can't be buried. So I'm hoping those are too similar to be weeds. They're all exactly the same. So those have to be Lysianthus. And that's the one I got. Echo double and both echo double. So those are coming up. That's cool. We got anything else coming up here? Let's see. Oh yeah, these are Walla Walla onions. These are the big round yellow, the big yellow onions. And I'm getting germination on those. That's great news. Larkspur, those are going to take a little bit longer. Nothing in there. Let's see, this is cauliflower. I see nothing in my cauliflower. These are more Walla Wallas, so they're coming up. Let's see, these are, oh, all right. These are sweet Spanish. And if you look, we are getting germination. That's awesome. Not many, but it started. Let's see. These are sweet Spanish too, but I don't see them coming up. That looks like a weed. I'm sure they'll be up in the next day or two. Wow, look at these. The supersonics have popped up. These are tomatoes. I planted them 6 days ago. And we are getting some good germination here. My only concern with the tomatoes and peppers are sometimes they need light. So I might have to lower the lights down so that they don't get straggly. But wow, yeah, the supersonics are coming up real nice. Cherokee purple, those are coming up nicely. Brandywines, those are coming up nicely. These are my San Marzanos. Those are coming up. Those are what I use to make my pasta sauce. Let's see. These are the cherries. These are coming up. The cherry blend. That's awesome. That's like all of my tomatoes are coming up. Nice. These are my pepper mixes. These can usually take longer than tomatoes, at least for me. But these are mixed bell peppers. I see nothing in them yet. Sweet bananas. I don't see anything popping up there. And then these two are flowers. The painted tongue, and these are eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is going to take a while. These are popping up. Yep. These kind of look like hollyhock a little bit, but they're different. They get tall and they get this beautiful clusters of flowers on the end. My wife wanted these, so she got them. And it looks like I'm not going to kill them. Well, I still got time to kill them, but they're living for now. So that's a good sign. Tomatoes are almost all the way up. I'm waiting on peppers, waiting on some of the bigger onions and some flowers. But yeah, that's the update here. This is an empty tray right now, so I'm not sure what I'm putting in that yet. Anyways, that's what I'm up to. Happy farming, y'all. Later.